Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. You're welcome back to Stitch and Carry Curation. In today's video, I'll be showing you on how to make this amazing water bottle bag. So please make sure you watch the video to the end and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Without wasting our time, let's get started. So this is the material I'll be using to make the bottle bag. The material is not that jean material, but it looks like jean material. You can get it at where they normally sell chair material. The length is 12.5 inches length, wideness 9.5 inches. Then I cut out foam for it. After that, I will stitch it round together with the foam. So I'm done sewing the foam with it and I've cut out lining for it. You can see I've used the pin to pin it together with the lining. Then after that, I will fold it into two. I'm using the pin to pin it together so that it will be easy for me when cuffing it. Now I'll be giving it a shape. If you have any round plate or any something that you can use to just shape it, just use it so that it will just give it a round shape. After that, I will use the scissors to just cuff it out. I'm done cuffing it. Now I will remove all the pin. After that, I will separate the lining from it. I will use the biro to indicate the midpoint. So I'm done stitching it, you can see. So I'm using a fashion belt so that it will look very fashionable. So the measurement is 10 inches. Then I will take the fashionable zip cloth. I'll place it on it round and stitch it together. So I'm done sewing it round, you can see. Now I will separate the second zip cloth out of it. Then I'll place the lining on it and stitch it round with it. After sewing it together, then I will turn it over. After turning it over, I will top stitch it round. I'm done top stitching it, so you can see how neat it was from inside and the back side. After that, I'll fold it together and use the zip mouth to join it together. After that, I will stitch the button. I'm done sewing it. Now I will turn it to the inner side. Then I will stitch the bottom of the inner side again. Then after that, I will turn it to the front. So the water bottle bag is now ready for use. So we have come to the end of this video. If you have really learned something from this video and you really enjoy watching it, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, share, and don't forget to give your thoughts in the comment section below. Bye. See you in my next video. Stay tuned.